Recently I bought a new phone and actually I switched operating systems. So before that I was a bit worried that the transition and the migration wouldn't run as smoothly, but I was positively surprised to see that when I opened my new phone, immediately a guide started and helped me to guide me through all of the different steps, migrating my data, my pictures and so on. So actually the transition and the setup went fine and no problems at all. So when you start your S/4HANA transformation project, the journey can also be a bit worrisome. So it would be nice to have a guide doing the same thing, so guiding you through each phase and showing you what you should do. And this is exactly what the Activate Accelerator does. It's a content package that you can install in your SAP Signavio workspace, which guides you through each phase of the Activate methodology, shows you what you should do in those phases, also which tools you can leverage, and so on. So what this actually entails and what this looks like, I'm going to show you right now. Alright, let's take a look. The main focus of the Accelerator is the transformation following the Activate methodology. Here you can choose between two different approaches. First, a new implementation, also known as Greenfield, or secondly, a system conversion, often referred to as Brownfield. But don't worry if your current focus isn't on the transformation. There's still a lot of valuable content available that we're gonna see later. For example, you can explore materials tailored to your persona or discipline. But for now, let's jump into the new implementation scenario. You'll start with an overview of all Activate phases, the relevant activities and the corresponding features that help you realize each of them. As you dive deeper, you'll discover the business capabilities tied to each activity, along with the resources that support them, including videos and click-through demos. If you'd like to see everything at a glance, you can explore the Solution Capabilities map. It gives you a complete overview of all the solution capabilities per module. Another super helpful resource is the demo flow, which connects multiple solution capabilities into one cohesive use case. For example, if you want to see how Signavio supports you during your Fit to Standard workshops, you'll find all the relevant scenarios and demo flows conveniently organized on one page. As mentioned earlier, if you're not currently part of a transformation project, a great place to start is the content organized by role. So, for example, if you're an SAP end user and want to understand how Signavio fits into your day-to-day work, you can easily access all the relevant touchpoints here. Or, if you prefer a broader perspective, you can also explore the content by discipline. The approach used in the Activate Accelerator really helps to break down the powerful transformation suite and makes it directly relevant to you, whether you're looking at it from the perspective of your role, or a transformation phase, or a specific use case. In the next videos, I'm going to show you how the Activate Accelerator actually supports you in the different phases of the Activate methodology, so stay tuned.